Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a text plus an image on a LinkedIn post. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Once you're inside your account, it will say start a post, so click onto that. Then it'll say, what do you want to talk about? Write whatever in there. I'm just going to put in test. Now to upload that image with the text, click on the button down below where it says add media. And then your files inside your computer should open automatically. Now pick a file that you'd like to share. I'm going to pick this one for demonstration. And you can do a quick edit if you like here as well and add some alt text, etc. Then from here, click next. Now you can see that image with the text. From here, go ahead and click on post. And now that's going to post this inside your LinkedIn and it'll say post successful. You can click on view post to view it if you like as well.